Good morning, folks. Welcome back. Trying to get the GoPro set up for you. I've been threatening to do a box opening, and I think that's what we're about to do now. Just looking at the back of the camera so it doesn't start taking a bunch of still shots on me like it did when I was trying to make a video with the Polaris. But what I've got here is a Minn Kota Edge, bow mount, 70-pound thrust, 45-inch shaft length. I hope beyond hope that it's the correct size. And I want to use this table. Hopefully you guys are still in the picture, because I sure don't want to make myself look like a schmo. We've had enough of that on TV. Right now I'm just trying to pull the staples out of the box. This also, when I bought it, it came from Academy, and they were running a rebate, mail-in or email deal on battery charger, and they said 6 to 8 weeks, but man, they had it to me in about a week. When the FedEx truck showed up, I was asking my wife what she had ordered. Come to find out, it was my stuff. I'm okay with that. All right, this end of the box, there's the head unit and the mounting stuff. And I think what I'm going to do is open up Who says you need one of them big fancy bushcrafters knives? It's just an old, what is that, Kershaw. And, here we go. Hello! It's amazing what they can do with a piece of cardboard. It's got stuff. Okay. There's the foot pedal. And yeah, put that right there. There's the directions. What do we need those for, right? See, unless they got some other. Oh yeah, I see it. It's got motor stuff. Yeah. Should have kept the bottom to give the cat something to play with. This motor's heavy. There's the mounting plate. Propeller hit the floor. But yeah, you got to assemble the propeller. Piece of Velcro holding the mounting plate down. I guess, well, I didn't like the sound of that. That was a piece of something that went flying, and I sure hoped it wasn't metal. My luck it was. Be digging through that stuff, trying to figure out what I've done. I guess that's to keep the motor down that plate. I guess that's what holds it down. Okay. It's heavy. More goodies falling off of it. Try to, without tearing things up, get it turned around so you guys can get a look at it. But I think I've got myself in a bind in trying to do this with that line. Stay. Let me move the foot pedal over. Go to the ground here. The table's at. Table. Like so. And roll it. Yeah. Alright. Break this up here. Okay, there it is. Big old foot pedal. There's the mounting plate, the motor itself, and yeah. And then of course the propeller. The shaft's supposed to be flexible in case you get up in the rocks or something. It'll have a little give to it. But that's it in a nutshell. The next project will be installing that to the boat and paying close attention to the instructions. There is a mounting plate that you can order that's a quick connect setup where you can actually take that trolling motor off your boat by detaching that mounting plate, and I think I'm going to get one of those because man, you just never know. If I have to leave this boat at the camper, the neighborhood does have a few crackheads in it, and they're not opposed to taking that which does not belong to them to the local pawn shop. And anyhow, that's going to close this, and I'll have this as a separate video, and I will also include it in one of the bass boat videos when I go to install this. So you guys have a great day, and we'll catch you soon.